I realized technically we are only 2 miles away from this volcano crater. It's dormant. This is the Sibley Volcanic Regional Park, and my house is in that direction. That's Mount Diablo. This is like Berkeley area, Orinda area, Oakland Hill. There. Which inspired me to build a labyrinth in my backyard also. That beautiful day today. We only passed up a few hikers with their dogs, not many people. But then again, I don't think a lot of people know that there's a shortcut from Orinda to the back hills here of Sibley Volcanic Regional Park. Panoramic view. And this is supposed to be the cinder cone crater region, the main attraction of this whole park. So that's where the Sibley Volcanic crater cinder cone is located. And to my 180-degree view, going this direction, there is Mount Tam right there. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so we're at a different viewing point, not too far from where I was earlier, pointing at Mount Tam, which is right there still. There is San Francisco. Maybe I could zoom in a little bit closer. And you can see the tallest building there. That's Salesforce. And of course, the triangular pointed building is the Transamerica building. And the little plot of land before San Francisco is Treasure Island. And that's where I used to drill for the military when the military was once located there about 20 years ago. So going down, there's Greg. He's heading up the hill. Of course, our goal is always to hit some sort of a peak. And here's the East Bay. There's Mount Diablo. And there's a new development of Orinda, my hometown. And the soccer fields, the football fields, football, not American football, European football, that's where my son, Kai, practices quite a bit, especially during the COVID. And they're still developing a new community here. All right, so I guess I better run down and catch up with that guy up there. So here's one of our lizards that looks like he's sunbathing. Here's a little guy. Let's just see if he'll stay put. Hey, little guy. Whoa! Guess not. Okay. Sometimes you could pat him on the head and he'll stay put. And you can put them in different positions for a photo take and they'll still stay put. I used to do that with some lizards, but this one I could not. So anyway, to trudge up this very large hill and try and catch my breath. And this is our state flower, California state poppy. Yeah, so these are the orangey ones. These are the inland California state poppy flowers, California poppy flowers. And you'll see yellow, really yellow ones, and those are mostly along the ocean side, closer to the water and beaches. So over on that side is the Tilden Park, Berkeley area. And again, we're sweeping through Orinda. And this is what caught our eye right here. We have a suspicion that might be a geocaching box. You know, that you have to find the coordinates. There's apps and people will hide this box with some goodies in it. Hopefully it's not a snake in there waiting for me. But I'm curious to see what's in it. Oh, treasure! Oh my gosh. It's one of these military ammo boxes. I remember when I was in the military. Oh, look! It is. You're right, Greg.
Geocache box?
Official geocache. Please do not disturb, because it's for the geocaching group. I used to do this with my kid when he was younger for Boy Scouts. Let's see what's in there. Look at that. Whoa! Okay, candy. No, Ricola. Ricola throat lozenges. What's in this one? Oh, look, a mom keychain, a football mom. Nickel, what is this? Leftover food. Let's put that aside. A map of, see, I told you we're at Sibley Volcanic Regional Preserve. All right, put that aside. Okay, one of these ID tag, retractable tags. Put that down. And, oh, geocaching information. And, what's this? A hot rod car. Pen. There's a whistle. I don't really want to open all this up. It's like another ID tag, retractable tag holder. What is that? A sock or a scrunchie? Okay, I see a lighter and more coins. And okay. Hey, this might be the winning ticket for the Monopoly at Safeway grocery store. All right, so I'll put this back in. That was fun. Felt a little bit like Indiana Jones. What an inspiration that movie was. Indiana Jones and the Lost Ark. Oh, okay. Oh, got to put one in reverse. Duh. Oops. Okay, we're on our way back down, and here's the labyrinth again. And we're heading back home yonder. We got to get over in that area. There's a hiking trail going to our house.